I'm doing a voiceover, so I might act up a little bit. But hey, y'all, long time no see. I've been off YouTube for a minute, but I'm back now. I wanted to tell y'all about this cute unit I found, so keep watching. So hey pretty foe, welcome to my channel. My name is Jaden, aka Baby J, for those who are new here, and if you ain't new, you already know the deal. I'm back in my cheetah print bonnet as always. So today I'm doing a video on Yolissa hair because I'm always hearing about Yolissa, so I'm like, yo, let me try out Yolissa. Was that a bar? No, huh? Anyways, while I was shopping for my wig, I got me a bonnet. I really don't recommend it because it was overpriced, and also it's tight around my forehead. Like, my head is small, so I'm confused about that, but I'm gonna keep it. And then also I got me a wig cap. It was $3.25, and I really don't understand that because at the beauty supply store it's like $1. But the wig, baby, woo! I'm about to tell y'all about this wig. So it's 24 inches, cast size small, hair density 250, and the lace is 13 by 6. Hold on. This hair already bomb. Oh, it's gonna look so good, y'all. Look at this. This lace, I like it. Okay, so got 2 combs. It got lace in the back in case you want to put it in a ponytail. And then it got a comb at the bottom and adjustable straps. Let's try it on. Alright, so first of all, this hair is already bomb. Y'all can see I've been having a blast. Like, it's already bomb. I'm ready to install it right now, but I still need to bleach the knots and I need to plug. I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come back. So to start installing my wig, I start by installing my wig cap. I spray my cap down with the Got2b glue spray 3 times, blow dry it 3 times, and then cut it off. But I came here to tell y'all a quick story time about how I cut my hair off 5 months ago, and I already got neck braids. Like, I'm walking around here with neck braids because people don't want to share their barbers with me. Did y'all know people were so stingy with their barbers? Because I surely did not. People do not want to share their barbers with me. The people that have shared their barbers with me, it's something that's preventing me from going to that barber. Like, I can't go to that barber. But I didn't know people were so stingy with their barbers. So now I'm just walking around here with neck braids. I'm too scared to walk into any random barbershop and just sit in a random chair. So I just be asking people for recommendations. And the craziest part is that women will tell me where they go, who chair to sit in, but men will hold on to that secret like it's the secret Krabby Patty formula. I promise you, they do not want to tell you who their barber is. Like, men are so selfish with their barbers, and I never knew, bruh. It's crazy to me. A message to barbers though, tag the men who hair you cut in the Instagram pictures. Management, thanks. So right here, I'm just cutting off any excess lace and any excess cap so that my cap don't show below my lace and so that my lace is not overlapping over my ears. Also, when I am about to apply my lace, I cut it into 3 sections. And when I cut it, I cut up from the eyebrow so that I can get those 3 sections to be nice and even. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all just watch because I know I've been talking a lot. Like, I talk a lot and I know that. But anyways, I'm gonna let y'all just watch because everything is pretty much self-explanatory. I'll come back to explain anything that I think is a little bit confusing or that I think needs explaining.
So I want to let you guys know I'm not a professional hairstylist or anything like that, but in this section of the video I want to show you guys how I style my hair, because I know when I watch a lot of YouTube videos and people are doing their hair, like they just pop up with their hair done, I'm like, dang, how did you do that? So I just wanted to show you guys how I got my the little look I was looking for. If you made it this far into the video, I just want to say that first of all, I appreciate you. Like, you are really appreciated. Like, God is really gonna bless you for watching my video this long. Also, I want to say, like, it's time for you to subscribe. Like, you clearly like me because you've been here for a minute, so you might as well just hit that subscribe button, because now we're friends, right? Period. So that's basically it for this video, you guys. I'm going to tell you guys the pros and the cons of this hair real quick. The cons is that it did shed quite a bit, but I believe that was because of the way I was plucking. Other than that, I don't have any other cons. Like, wow, this hair is really bomb. The texture is bomb. The feel of the hair is bomb. It does not overly tangle or anything. I never have to struggle to detangle this hair at all. It just gives me that very sleek, cute, classy look, and I just love it so much. I love the length, all of that. The ends aren't thin. This is some good hair. So that's all I have to say about the hair. If you guys would like an updated video on this hair, make sure you get this video to at least 100 likes. I have been wearing the hair for at least 2 weeks now since my birthday, and I haven't had any problems, y'all. Like, no problems. But anyways, y'all, thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back and see me. Thanks for stopping here at Baby J. See you guys next time.